Hello student, today we are going to discuss Geography chapter 4 Exogenetic Processes part 2. Question number 1, complete the following statements by choosing the appropriate alternatives. First, low plants are formed due to dash work. The answer is depositional work. Next question, cirques are formed due to dash work of glaciers. The answer is erosional. Third, deposition of coarse sediments in the triangular shape near river mouth is called answer deltas. Next question, match the column. Groundwater, sinkhole, wind, mushroom rock. Third, river waterfall. Next, wind, gaseous, river liquid. Third, glacier solid. Next question, answer the following questions in one sentence each. First, what is called wind? First one, the movement of an air is called wind. Second, how is a river formed? The answer, a river is formed when many flows of water come together. Next question, define the following concept. Flow of water, a running water that flow naturally in a direction according to gravity along the slope and making its own way is called a flow of water. Next, moraine. Answer, the sediments transported by glaciers is called moraine. Next question, write the correct statements. First, the temperature range helped the wind in its work. Answer, correct. Next, river's work is more prominent than other agents of erosion in desert region. The answer, incorrect. Wind's work is more prominent than other agents of erosion in desert region. Third, the work of groundwater is effective in the area with soft rocks. Answer, correct. Next, correct and rewrite the incorrect statement. First, the ice on the lateral side of the glacier move faster than the ice at the base. Incorrect. The ice at the base of the glacier move faster than the ice on its lateral side. Next, the depositional work by river happens because of gentle slope, reduced speed and transported sediments. Answer, correct. Third, the river flows at a faster speed than the glacier. Correct. Fourth, the speed of the glacier is more on both the banks in the middle. Answer, incorrect. The speed of the glacier is less on both the banks than in the middle. Next question, identify the wrong where. Deposition, V-shaped valley. Transport, ripple mark. Erosion, mushroom rock. Answer, deposition, V-shaped valley. Next question, complete the following table by classifying the landmarks according to their agents of erosion. First, rivers, wind, glacier, sea wave, groundwater. In river, waterfall, delta and pothole. Wind, barchans, mushroom and rock. Then next, glacier, circus, arite and moraine. Sea waves, beach, lagoons, groundwater, sinkhole, pillars. Next question, answer the following questions in brief. First, list the landforms that are a result of erosional work of the rivers. Answer, the landforms that are result of erosional work of the rivers are as follows. First one, gorges, V-shaped valley, then potholes and waterfall. Next question, which agent is responsible for formation of stalactites and stalagmites and where are they formed? First one, groundwater is responsible for the formation of the stalactites and the stalagmites. Second, in the area of limestone, the alkaline water seeps at the top of the limestone cave. When this water evaporates, minerals get deposited at the bottom and at the top of the limestone caves. As its effect, stalactites and stalagmites are formed there. Next question, list the landforms that are produced by the depositional work of the sea wave. Answer, beach, sandbars and lagoons. Next question, name the types of moraines or explain the types of moraines. First one, ground moraines, lateral moraine and the medial moraine and terminal moraine are the type of the moraines. Second, the material deposited at the base of a glacier is called ground moraine. Second, third one, the material deposited along the bank of a glacier is called the lateral moraine. Fourth, after the confluence or two glaciers, the moraines deposited in the central part of the glacier is known as the middle moraine. Fifth one, at the end where a glacier turned into a stream, huge quantity of moraine is deposited. The stream water is unable to carry the moraine further. As the deposited moraine is at the terminal part of a glacier, it is called a terminal moraine.